Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Malviya. I'm the Customer Solutions Manager here at Orgzit. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can send emails from within Orgzit manually. So within Orgzit, you can create and manage your own email templates, and you can send emails manually, and you can also automate your emails by using our different automation workflows. So in this particular video, I'll be talking about how you can send emails manually by using a button. So this entire process will be broken into 3 steps. So in the first step, we'll create an action config, which will basically be the configuration of the email that we want to send. And so in the first step, we'll configure the email. And then in the second step, what I'll do is I'll create a custom action button for it. So you can just click on that button whenever you want to send an email to a particular lead, let's say. And once you click that button, your email will be gone that you've just configured. And the third step is sending the emails by using these custom action buttons. So let's get started. So here for this demo, I've created a lead management system. So let's say you have a lead management system and you want to send out emails for your dealers, or you want to send out emails for your leads, or you want to follow up on invoices, or you want to do any such particular use case that you have around your CRM or lead tracking or any business workflow. So you can just use this feature to send out emails whenever you want to. So you already have the email templates made, and you can just click on a button to shoot out those emails. So here in my lead management system, I have a dealers table, and I'll be creating an email for my dealers, which I'll be sending in from my dealers table by creating a custom action button. So let's go to the table manage page to configure the email. Move to the action configs section here and click on create action config. Now you have to select the type of action. So since we want to configure an email, we'll choose email here. Now here you can configure your email. So let's say I want to have an email asking for my order details. So I'll just give the name as order details. Now the next step is to choose the recipient type. Now the recipient type can be a field. If you're storing the email address in a field, you can choose field. Or if you want to send your email to a specific email address all the time, you can choose email and mention that. So I'll just choose field because I already have a data field for my email, and I'll choose that data field. So now we have the recipient type. You can also specify the CC or BCC in a similar way. Then you have these 3 different options. If you have an email integration, you can choose to send using the user email. So in that case, the emails will be directly sent from your email address and not from Orgzit. So you can click on this toggle button for that. The next is if you want to enable the reply to user email option, you can include the user signature also. Now after all of this, so once you've set all of this, comes the subject. So I'll just mention a subject. Now comes the major part of entering the template. So you can use the WYSIWYG editor that we have here. You can enable it if you want to see how your template looks like and make changes directly to you to it, or you can just disable it and enter your code here. In the WYSIWYG editor, you also have the different ways of formatting your email, and you can also go to the code view from here. So I just disable the WYSIWYG editor and write a short email template here. So if you have a customized HTML code for your email, you can just mention that here. Now, for customizing your email for specific records, so let's say in this case for specific dealers, if I want I can use placeholders which by using this insert tag button. So for example, if you want to mention the dealer name here, you can just click on insert tag and choose the data field that you want to insert. So I want the name to be inserted here. So I'll just click here and then just paste it. So this will now act as a placeholder and will fetch the dealer name from whichever record I'll be sending in the email. So I just mention a small email body. So I've just entered a very small template. You can customize it more to maybe include some of the details that are there in your record or table by using tags like this. So here, once your template is ready, you just have to save it. So now my email template is ready, my action config is ready. Now the next step is to create a button to send out this email or to send out any. So click on create button to create a custom action and just mention send email or whatever you want to be the name of that button, and then select the action config that you are making this custom action for. So here we have this our action config for the email, and you can specify the roles. So for example, if you have specific roles within your organization, you can specify the roles that you want should be able to access and use this custom action button. So you can specify this here. So in this case, I do not want my dealers to send out this email. I only want the management to see and send out these emails. So I'll click on management and save it. Now here, both my action config and custom action is ready to be used. So now I'll just go back to the workspace and see how I can now send these emails. So here you have an option on hovering over this three dot button. You can see this custom action button of send email here. You can just click on this to send the email, or you can view this record and go to this action section and then send the email from here. So let's just click on send email, and here you can see in the interaction section the email that you've just gone out has come here. So it has fetched the name of the dealer from this particular place and has sent my email successfully.